Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads or inquiries for interior designing. So I am an interior designer and I'm promoting my business as well as my services with the help of IndiaMART, that is an amazing B2B marketplace of India. For sending WhatsApp messages to each of the leads as soon as they are received, here I am using Pabbly chat flow. So my objective is that every time I'm going to receive a new inquiry by a new lead in IndiaMART, automatically an instant WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead in personalized format. To automate this entire process, we will have to set up the connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly chat flow, and that we are going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step for your business, for that you have to come towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I am going to show you step by step that how we can automatically send WhatsApp messages to all our IndiaMART leads for interior designing business. So here I am an interior designer promoting my services with the help of IndiaMART. I'm receiving multiple inquiries from multiple clients and leads on regular basis, and my objective is to connect with these leads without missing any of them by simply sending them instant WhatsApp message in the personalized format. For sending the WhatsApp messages, here I'm going to use Pabbly chat flow. That is an amazing and a new feature of Pabbly which helps us to enhance the conversations with our leads, customers, employees, or anyone. Okay, so in order to automate this entire process, we will have to build a connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly chat flow, and that we are going to do without any coding and programming skills by using this amazing automation software Pabbly Connect. So let's get started quickly. As you know, Pabbly Connect helps us to build the connections between our work applications effortlessly without any coding or programming requirements to automate all our daily repetitive tasks instantly. All right. So currently we are on the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect/INR. After coming over here, we will find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And also from all app section, you can access Pabbly chat flow as well. I'm already logged into Pabbly chat flow. So I'm going to directly click on access now to Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where we can find all the workflows which we have created up till now. And to save the workflows, we can also create separate folders like this. Now to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box is appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads or inquiries for the interior designer work. So here, after giving the name to my workflow, I'm going to select the folder. So you can see I have a list of folders over here which I have created for different kind of workflows. Currently, the automation which I'm going to set up is related to my IndiaMART leads. So automations for IndiaMART leads will be my folder. And now I'm going to click on create. As we have done that, you can see a new screen is open in front of us, which contains two extremely important windows. Here we have trigger and we have action. What are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose my objective is that every time I'm going to receive a new lead or a new inquiry for interior designer services through IndiaMART, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead with the help of Pabbly chat flow. So for that, I'm going to take IndiaMART in trigger and Pabbly chat flow in my action step. When we are going to build a connection between these applications, we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is received through IndiaMART, then only a WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead through Pabbly chat flow, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step and let us select our trigger application as IndiaMART. As by using IndiaMART, we want to start the workflow. Then on the happening of which event in IndiaMART you want to start your workflow. I want that when a new lead will be received, then my workflow should start. So a trigger event will be new leads. As we have done that, now our objective is to build the connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect. To do that, first of all, you can see we have received a webhook URL. We have to insert the webhook URL inside our IndiaMART account so that the webhook URL will act as a bridge for transferring the data of every new leads and inquiries from IndiaMART towards Pabbly Connect. How we are going to insert this URL? By following the given instructions step by step carefully. So let's first of all copy the webhook URL, and then I'm going to take you towards my IndiaMART account. After coming over here, from the left side, we can see the option of lead manager. Let's select that. And over here we have 3 lines. So let's select the menu section, and we have to go towards import export leads, under which we have to select push API. So now, first of all, I'm going to deactivate the existing webhook over here so that we can add a new one. I'm going to click on this deactivate API button, and on my registered phone number an OTP is going to be sent. So I'm going to quickly enter that OTP to deactivate the existing webhook. And after entering the OTP, I'm going to quickly submit it, and you can see that my webhook is deactivated. Now here we are on push API integration, where we have to activate new API. We have to add a new webhook. So for that, first of all, let's select the source of the leads. You can see we have multiple source over here. You can select any of the one according to your choice. I'm going to select other. And now we have to enter the platform name which you want to connect with IndiaMART. So I'm going to provide a name as Pabbly Connect. Then in the field of webhook listener URL, we have to paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect, and then we have to click on save details. As we have done that, now it is asking us the reason for which we are setting up the connection. So you can select any of the reason. Let's suppose I'm going to select I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance, just a random reason. Then I'm going to click on this generate OTP button. And as we have done that, the webhook is activated over here. It is set up successfully. This means our connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So now when we will come back towards Pabbly Connect, it is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission. How we are going to do that? By simply submitting a new lead in IndiaMART. So here I'm going to send a dummy inquiry on my IndiaMART account from a dummy leads profile. I've already created the profile of a dummy lead, which I'm going to open in incognito mode, and I'm going to submit a dummy inquiry with that profile towards my IndiaMART account for my business. As I will do that, because our IndiaMART account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, the response is going to be automatically captured over here, and that too instantly. So quickly, I'm going to open the profile of that dummy lead in incognito mode. So here you can see I have opened incognito mode. I've also searched my business over here, and because I've already created the profile of the dummy lead, I'm going to simply submit the inquiry. So I'm going to click on this contact supplier, and I'm going to select some details over here, and directly I'm going to click on next, and just it is asking us the requirement details, that means the inquiry message. As I have already created the profile, so while creating the profile, I have entered all the details of the lead, the name, the email address, the phone number, their city, country, etc. So I do not have to enter them again and again. With this profile, when I'm going to submit the inquiry, all the details of that lead is going to be captured inside Pabbly Connect as well as in IndiaMART. As this is my requirement details, full interior designing services for a 3 BHK apartment, property size 1500 square feet. Okay, I'm going to click on next. Here we have submitted the inquiry, and you can see it is saying thank you for posting requirement for this software. So I'm going to simply cross this. I'm going to take you back towards my IndiaMART account quickly. And here we can see that the lead is received with the name as APC company. So I'm going to open this lead, and you can see that we have received the exact inquiry, full interior designing services for 3 BHK apartment, property size 1500 square feet. So here, because we have received the lead, you can see we have received the details as well. We have the city, their state, the name of the company. All these details are exactly the same which I have entered while creating the profile. As we have received the lead over here with exact inquiry, I'm going to take you back towards Pabbly Connect, and we can see that the same response is captured in Pabbly Connect as well. So let's start reading the response one by one. First of all, we have the status of the lead, that is success. We have a unique query ID, which is going to be unique for every new lead and every new inquiry. We have a default subject over here. We have the state of the lead. We have their name as smart lead. We have phone number, email address, company name, city, state, and the date and time at which the lead is received. And all these details are exactly the same which I have used while creating the profile. And over here we can also see that our query message is received And this is the exact query message which we have submitted. This means that our connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. And now every time a new lead is going to receive through IndiaMART, automatically the response is going to be captured. Once we have received the response, our objective is to send a WhatsApp message with the help of Pabbly Chatflow to this lead. So now I'm going to build the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect. So let's go towards our action step. Let us select Pabbly Chatflow as our action application. And then we have to select the action event. What you want? I want to send the message. So send curl request will be our action event over here. Then we have to click on connect. And now to build the connection, you can see we have two options, add new connection and select existing connection. Before building this connection, I'm going to take you towards my Pabbly Chatflow account. And we will go towards the dashboard. To build a connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect, you have to first of all set up your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that, you have to go towards add WhatsApp number, and you have to add your WhatsApp number by adding access token, WhatsApp business account ID and phone number ID. To get these details, you have to go towards Meta for developers. There you will have to open WhatsApp Cloud API account, and from there you are going to receive these details. If you do not have your WhatsApp Cloud API account, first of all, you have to set up. And to learn the full process of setting up WhatsApp Cloud API account and to generate the permanent access token, we have already created a tutorial video step by step, and also it is uploaded on our channel. I'm also going to attach it in the I button so you can just go and directly watch it. Also, once you will receive these details, then you will click on add, and in order to learn the full Pabbly Chatflow setup as well, we have created this video you can see over here. Okay, now I have already added the number, my account is set up. So now I'm going to take you back towards my Pabbly Connect account. I'm going to show you that how you can build a new connection with Pabbly Chatflow. For that, let's go towards add new connection, and we have to enter the token. Because I'm already logged into my Pabbly Chatflow account, so to get the token, we just have to click on this hyperlink. Let's do that. It is going to take us towards webhook and API page. And from here, we can see the option of API key. So let's simply copy it. We will move back and we will paste it over here. Now let's click on save. As we have done that, the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So once again, now we have to go back towards our Pabbly Chatflow account to enter the body over here. To send the WhatsApp message, we have to create a specific template. By using that template only, we are going to send the messages in the personalized format to all our leads. So from the left side, I will take you first of all towards templates. Here we'll go towards template list. And over here, you can see that these are all the templates I have created for different kind of messages. I'm going to take you towards the next page, and I have created a separate template for my IndiaMART leads. I'm going to open this template, and here you can see that this is the message. Hello, thank you for your interest in our products or services through IndiaMART. We are thrilled to connect with you. Our team has received your inquiry and will get in touch with you shortly to provide more details. Meanwhile, feel free to reply to this message if you have any specific questions or need immediate assistance. Looking forward to serving you better. Warm regards, Pabbly Connect. Okay, let's say this is the name of my business. All right. Now, here you can see that after hello, I have used a variable. We use variables in the template to make the data dynamic because I want to replace the name of each of the leads according to the response. I have used variable over here. This means that I have made the name dynamic. So now every time a new lead is going to receive through IndiaMART, automatically the name of that lead is going to appear over here in the message, and it will be sent accordingly to each of the lead. And in this way, they are going to receive personalized messages. Okay, I have just used a single variable over here, but in a similar manner, you can use as many variables as you want in your template. So my template is already approved. I'm going to use it in order to send the messages, but I'm going to first of all show you to build a new template. So you have to go towards add new template to build your own template. First of all, you will select the category of your template. Let's say marketing. You will give a name of your template in the lowercase and with underscore. Let's say new message, just a random name. Then you have to select the language by using which you want to send the messages. Okay, you have to select the template type, whether it is text, image, video or document. I have selected text currently. Then you have to give a header to your template. Let's say this will be the header of your message. Then you have to give the exact content, that means the main body of your message. Let's say hello, and here you have to use the variables in each of the place where you want the data to be replaced. I want the variable for the name, so I'm going to give the sample value as name over here. Okay, so the name will appear. Now, if you want, you can also use the footer line, interactive actions, and then you will simply click on submit. As you will submit the template, it will be sent for approval. You can see the preview of your message, whatever you have used over here. And this way, the message is going to be sent. Once it will be approved by Meta, then you will have to link it with broadcast. So now I'm going to go towards my template. I'm going to quickly link my template with broadcast. For that, let's go towards broadcast from the left side. You will click on this add broadcast button. And here you have to select the broadcast type. That will be API campaign. Then you can give the name to your broadcast. new IndiaMART leads, let's say, and then here we have to insert the template. So this is my name of the template, IndiaMART leads. I have selected that, it is linked. This is the exact template. Now I'm going to click on add broadcast. Okay, so it is saying broadcast name is already in use. So I'm going to change the name of my broadcast. Interior services. Okay, I have changed the name. I'm going to click on add broadcast, and as we have done that, you can see that my broadcast is ready. I'm going to go towards test broadcast over here as it is live, and we have to copy the URL given over here. Let's simply copy it until last. We'll go back and we will simply paste it over here. Now we just have to make certain changes in this body. So let's start reading the message. Template name is already selected. We have the campaign name as well. We have to change the destination. On which destination you want to send this message, where you want to send the message. So I want to send the message to the lead, and I've already received the phone number of the lead in my earlier response. So instead of entering the data manually over here, I'm going to simply map the phone number like this. And as I have mapped this phone number, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. Okay, then we have to enter the username. Who is the receiver of the message? The receiver is the lead, and I've also received the name of the lead. So I'm going to map it. Then it is asking us the body parameter. So here I'm going to simply map the name of the lead once again. Okay, in the first name field. Because I have not received the name separately, I'm going to directly map the full name. But if you want, you can also split the name. Directly now I'm going to click on save and send test request button. And as we have done that, it is saying that accepted. That means the message is sent on this number. So I'm going to quickly take you towards my Pabbly Chatflow account, and if you are using Pabbly Chatflow, you do not have to again and again open your WhatsApp web. All the messages which you are sending and receiving are going to be visible only in Pabbly Chatflow account with the help of inbox section. So I'm going to take you towards inbox. And here we can see that yes, the message is sent. Hello Smartly, thank you for your interest in our products. Here we have the entire name, and we can see the bracket over here, but it will not be visible to the receiver. It will be the plain message with their name. So this is the entire message. It is saying sent, and also it is delivered. This means our connection between IndiaMART and WhatsApp is absolutely successful. And how it is possible? With the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I hope this automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. You can also very easily set up this automation for your interior designing services, or if you're running any other business as well. For that as well, the workflow is useful. You just have to build the connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Chatflow, and your work is done. So thank you for watching the video.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.